Now, last video talked about creating a table to determine proportionality. Now, given a table, read the tables, simplify the ratios, make sure to check you've done the arithmetic properly, and then decide which situation represents the proportional relationship. Number 5, the tables shown represent the number of pages Martin and Gabriel read over time. Which situation represents a proportional relationship between the time spent and the number of pages read? So the time to pages. So for Martin, we can go, you can either divide pages by time to get all 0.4. If you flip that around and divide time by pages, all those ratios would be 2.5. Either way, they would all be the same. So Martin's is the proportional relationship, but to go ahead and do the work, Gabriel, none of those ratios, no matter which way you divide, pages by time or time by pages, none of those ratios would be the same. So your answer would be based on those rates. Martin's represents a proportional relationship between pages read and the time because the rates are all the same. And the last one here, number 6, using the whole idea of proportional relationships. The cost for 2.5 pounds of meat is $7.20. Letter A, first find the constant of proportionality. So we can go ahead and divide price by pounds. That would simplify to $2.88 per pound. So the constant of proportionality is 2.88. Letter B, write an equation relating cost to pounds. And they kind of tell you how to write it. Y equals K times X, where K is that COP. So Y equals the COP 2.88 times X. There is your equation where you can plug in any number of pounds for X and get out of that how much you pay. So now, letter C, use that equation to find out how much 4 pounds will cost. So the 2.88 is the cost per pound. X is the number of pounds, in this case 4. So we multiply 2.88 times 4, and we get 11.52. Now remember what it's asking for. How much is it going to cost? So the 11.52 is a money number. So 4 pounds of meat will cost $11.52. Just like labels on packages from the market. We have our COP of $9.99 a pound. Over here we have the number of pounds. Multiply the two. That will give us how much we're going to be paying for, in this case, the grilled chicken strips.